guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. Today we are doing a declutter. I'm going to be decluttering my eye products. So this does not include eyeshadows because I already did all of my eyeshadows, but like liners, brow products, mascara, that kind of stuff. So let's jump in. So I'm going to go about this the same way I have done all of my other declutter videos. These are all of my eye products that I'm looking to go through. I feel like I don't have a ton of products here because honestly I like to keep this selection pretty small. So I feel like I do go through these occasionally, or like I just get rid of them a lot faster than I would like an eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go with 3 different piles. I'll have one pile for stuff I'm keeping, one pile for stuff I'm like not quite sure, I'll decide later, and then one pile for stuff that I'm getting rid of. So let's jump in. I have 3 pairs of lashes that are just yelling at me right here. These are from Ardell and they're the 110 like wispies or something. They're pretty simple. I am keeping these. I think I've worn these once. And then these are from Baddington. These were in BoxyCharm. They're this really pretty lashes. They're kind of wispy, but they've definitely got some length to them. They're in the style Monroe. So I will be keeping these again because I haven't worn these. And same goes with these lashes. These are from Lashaholic. They're in the style Instaglam. And these are really pretty. They're different from the other ones. They've got a little bit more length, a little bit more fullness, but they're really pretty. So I'm keeping these, but again, I haven't worn them. I have 2 Cover FX products. This is the Shimmer Veil and it's in the shade Amethyst. Both of these are from BoxyCharm as well. This is like a really cool colored like pink that is kind of fun to wear on the eyes. I don't wear it very often, but I think I am going to keep it just because it makes like a really cool, fun, easy look. So I'm gonna keep that. These Cover FX glitter drops are in the shade Nova, but they're this like really gold, shimmery, glittery substance. This isn't necessarily like an eye product, but that's kind of the main thing I use it for, so I'm including it in with my eye products. And I just got this last month in my BoxyCharm, so I'm gonna hold on to this for right now. Let's go with some brow products. So this first one isn't technically a brow product, but I'm counting it as a brow product. It's an eyeliner, but it's from Bang Beauty, and it's a gel eyeliner in the shade Chocolate. I am gonna get rid of this. I actually liked this at the beginning, but it like dried up so fast, so I'm getting rid of this because it just like balls up on itself and is impossible to apply. Kind of same story with this. This is from Cella and it's the Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. And again, when I first got it, it was like really nice. You've got the product in one end and you have the brush on the other end. And in the beginning, this was really nice, but it just dried up so fast and is like so impossible to use. I'm getting rid of it. I have 2 brow gel type things. This is the Glossier Boy Brow. Love it. I use this stuff all the time. It's almost gone and I'm really sad. And then this is the Essence Make Me Brow. This is like my second favorite one, and this is $2.99. This is like $16. So I love both of them. I think I love the Glossier one a little bit more, but for the price, I can go with the Essence one on a day-to-day thing, but I'm keeping both of them. This one's newer to me. This is the ColourPop Brow Boss, and I do really like this. It's in the shade Taupe, and it's really, really nice. It has a little precise brow pencil on this side and a really nice spoolie on the other, so I'm definitely keeping that. This is also new. It's from L'Oreal, and I don't buy L'Oreal things. This was sent to me from Influencer, but it's the Unbelievabrow, and it's this weird product. Kind of the consistency of a brow gel, but on a doe foot applicator. And this is in the shade Blonde. It looks okay in the brows. It's just so hard to use. Yeah, I'm gonna think about this one. This is an Essence brow pencil. This is quite old. Just like your standard brow pencil, you gotta sharpen it It has like this little brush thing on one end. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I did like this. I have other things that I like so much more now, and I've had this for probably 2 years, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This is another favorite, actually. This is from IT Cosmetics. It's the Brow Power Brow Pencil in Universal Taupe, and on one end you've got like this kind of strange shaped pencil, but it's really nice. And then you've got a spoolie. The spoolie's okay, but I like the brow pencil, so I'm keeping it. Last brow pencil, this is from Ulta Beauty. This is the Ultra Slim Brow Pencil, and it's in the shade Ash Taupe, which is a really nice shade. And this is another one that has just like a really small pencil, and it's pretty nice, as well as the spoolie is really nice. So I haven't used this one in a while. I actually had it like tucked away for a little bit. I'm gonna have to pull this one out again because I really liked it. I've got some eye primers. The first one is probably my favorite. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer. This stuff is unbelievable, so great, and it's like $2.99. I recommend this to everyone, keeping this for sure. This one was a little disappointing for me. This is the Catrice Prime and Fine Brightening Eyeshadow Base, and this one just leaves my lids too oily, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. And then this one's just like a classic eyeshadow primer. It's the e.l.f. like sheer eyeshadow primer. It's $2. It works pretty good. It's really easy to use, so I like it. Now, these are all black pencil liners. This one is from Vintage Cosmetics by Jessica Lipskind. This one's probably my least favorite. It honestly kind of sucks. It's like a smoky eye pencil, and it's not very black, and it doesn't stay anywhere. So I'm gonna get rid of that. This one also kind of sucks. It's from Jean Bleu. Oh, this is actually charcoal, sorry. It's the eyeliner pencil in charcoal. This doesn't go on for like the life of me. I don't like this. This is another one from Jean Bleu, but this is the Glittering Star eyeliner, and it's black with like some glitter in it. I just got this last month in a BoxyCharm. I think I am going to keep it for right now, but so far it's not impressing me a ton. And then this is the Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes Intense. I don't understand the name of this, but it's a black, or it says Intense Ebony, but it's just like a normal eyeliner. I don't even remember using this. I'm gonna keep this. I got this for Christmas last year from my mother-in-law. Is this a self-sharpening one? No. It just doesn't retract. I don't know. I'm gonna keep this right now because I honestly kind of forgot about this and don't ever use it. This is from Marc Jacobs, and it's the something or other highliner gel crayon. It's just in black, but it's just like a basic black pencil. It is retractable. It doesn't really work anymore. I've had this for a while and I never use it, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. I thought it was so cute because it's Marc Jacobs and it's in this like really cute packaging, but I just never used it. And then this one is from Lord & Berry. It's another small one, and it's just like another black. It's called Travel Black. Let's see how this one compares to the other ones. That one's actually pretty nice. So I'm gonna keep this one. I just never reach for black eyeliners like this. I used to use them all the time, so maybe I need to give them another shot. A few other eyeliners. I have two colored liners. These are from Revlon, and they're the Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liners. And I thought these were like so cool. Like 2 years ago, I thought it'd be really fun to experiment with blue and green eyeliner, and I never really ended up using them. They are quite skinny, but I've just had them for way too long. I need to get rid of them. And then this is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is another just kind of like liquid black liner, and it's with a brush tip. It is pretty nice. I don't really know my full thoughts on this. I feel like the few times I have worn it, it's kind of worn off pretty easily, but I haven't used it a ton, so I'm gonna keep that. And it's my only like liquid liner. But this is my favorite. This is the Essence Eyeliner Pen in Waterproof. This is my go-to. It's a felt tip liner, super black, really easy to apply, lasts all day. So this one I'm definitely keeping. I've purchased this so many times. And then I have a few like chubby pencils. This one's my favorite. This is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Highlighter, and it's this really pretty like light pink color. It looks great in the waterline. It looks great underneath the brow, which I think is what it's really for. It looks good in the inner corner. It's so pretty. I love this. And then these two are from Rimmel. They're the Scandalize like chubby pencils. This one is just in like black, and then this one's in like a matte taupe color. And I wanted to use these so bad for some reason. Like I just wanted these. I had these in so many different colors. I want to say last time I did a declutter, I ended up getting rid of the other ones I had. And I think it's just time to get rid of these ones too, because I literally never use these, and I've had these for years. So I just need to get rid of these. This is something that's brand new to my collection. It's from Wet n Wild, and it's one of their new Liquid Catsuit Shimmer Liquid Eyeshadows. And this is really pretty. I have it in the shade Cashmere Love. It's kind of like a coppery gold color. Super pretty. It wears really great throughout the day. I did a video testing this a few days ago. I'll link that above or something, but I really like this. This is from Clinique, and it's the High Impact Mascara. This is another thing. I got this for Christmas last year. This is not high impact at all. This is like the most natural looking mascara ever. I think I used this like twice and was like, I'll try and use it more, and never did. So I need to get rid of this. And then this is from Pretty Vulgar. It's the Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner. And a lot of people really like this. I don't know if I'm like using it wrong or something, but I just haven't had very good luck with this. Maybe I need to try it with like a different primer or something, but it's just like a gel liner. The packaging is absolutely adorable. But I'm gonna keep this around just because I don't have another gel eyeliner, and I just need to give this a try, I think. And then I have two mascaras. This is the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Really enjoy this, keeping it. And then I have the IT Cosmetics Superhero mascara. Love this one as well, so I'm keeping that. Hi, Bob. Can you move so I can film? Thanks. So this is the pile of stuff I am keeping. Again, like I said, I have this stuff pretty narrowed down anyways, so that's kind of everything I had. I had one product, I have one product that I was on the fence about keeping. It's the L'Oreal Unbelievabrow. I think the only reason I wasn't really wanting to keep this is because it's not cruelty free. But I think I'm gonna keep this for right now and just continue trying that. And then these are the products I'm getting rid of. So I've got that Bang Beauty liner, some brow products, some mascara, another brow product, a primer, some eyeliners, actually lots of eyeliners. But yeah, those are the things I'm getting rid of. These are the things I'm keeping. And that was everything. Yeah, it's feeling really good getting rid of all of these products, like going through products and like finding stuff that I haven't seen in a while. That's like the most exciting thing, I think, is like going through and finding things that I'm like, oh yeah, I remember that, I loved that. Or like, oh yeah, I remember that, I haven't used that in ages. That was today's declutter video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around, and I've also got an awesome giveaway going on right now. I will link that above and down below. Make sure to check that out. All you have to do is be subscribed. But until next time, bye guys.